The value proposition canvas is a framework used to ensure a fit between a product and the market. It works by modeling the relationship between customer segments and value propositions. The value proposition canvas can be used to refine an existing product or service offering, or where a new offering is being developed from scratch. The value proposition canvas is formed around two building blocks: customer profile and a company's value proposition, each divided into three parts. The customer profile circle on the right-hand side should be completed first by defining customer jobs, which are the functional, social, and emotional tasks customers are trying to perform, problems they are trying to solve, and needs they wish to satisfy. Gains, which are the benefits the customer expects and needs, i.e., things that would delight the customer and increase the likelihood of adopting a value proposition. And pains, which are the negative experiences, emotions, and risks that the customer experiences in the process of getting the job done. A customer profile should be created for each customer segment, as each segment has distinct jobs to be done, pains, and gains. The value proposition square is completed next by defining the products and services which will create gain and relieve pain, and which underpin the creation of value for the customer. Gain creators, which is a description of how the product or service creates customer gains and how it offers added value to the customer. And pain relievers, which is a description of how the product or service alleviates customer pains. After listing gain creators, pain relievers, and products and services, each point identified can be ranked from nice to have to essential in terms of value to the customer. A fit between product and market is achieved when the products and services offered as part of the value proposition address the most significant pains and gains from the customer profile. Identifying the value proposition on paper is only the first stage, however. It is then necessary to validate what is important to customers and get their feedback on the value proposition. Further market research and insights can then be used to go back and continually refine the proposition.